Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon Dusseldorf. I've got the Rapido stand here. I'm going to start off and show you some vehicles from Rapido, including this new one, which costs 100,000 euros. That's a 1 with 5 zeros. At the end of it, we have here a bed in the German layout with steps up to it. We have storage under there, and here we've got a extremely nice and bright bathroom. There is for the plug, it doesn't normally look like that. They probably removed the filter, at least I hope they did. There's it's beyond a joke the amount of stuff that actually gets stolen from this event. I'm surprised not actually driving vehicles out. And I had a nasty shock of a rather expensive sound system from here being stolen. Anyway, that part, I don't want to start complaining about the stuff that gets stolen. I want to show you some vehicles. It's got a L-shaped lounge table here. The chairs have been put down, which allows the bed, the size of the bed, to be demonstrated up front. In my opinion, that's a very bland motorhome for 100,000. Well, it's bland for any price, really. Right, let's have a look what else they've got. If they've got anything else, I'll probably find something. Here's a C86i integrated motorhome at a cost of 94,000, 7 meters long, and this is the same as we just saw, except with a queen bed in the back. So I think I like this one better. This one is cheaper only because it's probably got less equipment inside. Yeah, so I can't say that it's more expensive for another reason. Don't know, maybe it's me, but it looks really bland in here. There's a good word in Spanish. It's like eating food without salt. That's how I rather feel about this. Yeah, we'll have a walk around the outside of the two of them and see C86i. And see there, you've got the gas cupboard there. This is the C55i. You've got, yeah, it's a good lounge. It's not lounge. What do you call them things? Garage. This is the Rapido new vans, these two, for next year. There we go. Looking at that in there, that's not a bad garage, I suppose. Well, there you go. The two new vehicles for this year. Oh no, there's another one over here. Sorry, we'll have to get them all in. And so this is called a 606F, and this vehicle here is semi-integrated. Looking at it, it's about 650 centimeters long, and it's on the Peugeot base. And this thing here will cost 81,170. It's 669 centimeters long, so I did that by my from eyesight. Right, what's this got? It's got a rear lounge. No, that's not. Yeah, this isn't a lounge. Sorry, this is the bathroom. Right, it's a rear bathroom. Very nice large shower. Mind you, this looks quite good, and if I can work out how to open it, there you go. I've opened that bit successfully. Now let's see if I can open this bit successfully. I can't. It's broken. Anyway, so behind there you've got a wardrobe, and down there's the garage. Broken. Bed will drop down. I'm not going to demonstrate. Well, I can't because it needs a key, so I can't demonstrate at all. But even if I had the key, I wouldn't demonstrate because of the don't want to put, don't want people to see me doing it. I don't want Rapido, someone else to come in and break the thing. Here we've got 2 burners in an unusual hob top, and there's the sink. Alright, and so that's what Rapido has got. This one here I think looks a bit less bland than the other 2. Though I can't explain why. Nice wide window up front. Anyway, let's we'll leave this one. So there's a look around. Oh, is it another new one? Okay, this is called a CO3, right. What's good? It's got a queen bed in. No, it's not. It's got widthwise bed. Sorry, what am I saying? 77,710, 619 centimeters long. That's quite good. Oh, a nice panoramic window. It's got nice steps up to the bed. I think the mattress has been put on. No, it hasn't been put in the wrong way. It's me not looking at it properly. And yeah, I like this one. This is quite good. Yeah. Like this, there's your fridge. Got 2 burners in the sink. There's your sink. There's your burners. Yeah, this isn't so bad actually. Oh, there's a nice washroom. Yep, definitely prefer this one. No doubt about it. It's on a Peugeot base, and this one looks all right. Definitely appeals to me, that one. CO3, and not only that, it's the cheapest of the vehicles that we have seen here. So this is Rapido. All the vehicles here have been filmed, okay, maybe not this year's, but sometime in the past, and showing you the new vehicles for the next season. This is Caravan Salon Dusseldorf. Look how big this is. You've got 17 halls filled with vehicles, so it's a really quite it's a fantastic place to come to in from the last weekend in August to the first weekend of September, so it's 9 days. Absolutely brilliant. And thanks very much for watching. Hope you found it interesting. I upload every day at 21:15. This is the largest channel on YouTube for motorhomes and camper vans. There's all sorts of stuff on this one. So if you're interested in that sort of thing, then you'll want to subscribe, and if you're not, then you won't. But for the moment, from me showing the new vehicles for next year from Rapido, thanks for watching.